Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Auburn Bay, a picturesque neighborhood nestled in the southeastern part of Calgary, Alberta. This charming community, developed in the early 2000s, was designed to offer a perfect blend of urban living and natural beauty. Auburn Bay is named after the stunning auburn-colored reflections that can be seen on the surface of its centerpiece, the man-made Auburn Lake. This 43-acre lake is a focal point for residents, providing opportunities for swimming, fishing, and boating during the warmer months. The neighborhood is also home to extensive pathways and green spaces, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!